Hey, everyone, welcome back to the Dream Cars, the place where we talk about all things cars, from futuristic concepts to the latest street beasts. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the family. Now, today's video is about something that has us all buzzing, the 2026 Toyota Urban. This little beast is not your typical car, and if you think you've seen it all, trust me, you haven't seen anything quite like this yet. First off, let's talk about design. The 2026 Toyota Urban is futuristic but still holds on to Toyota's roots, a perfect blend of modernity and reliability. This car is an all-electric, compact SUV designed with the city in mind. The whole look is sleek, sharp, and streamlined. It has a bold front fascia with those aggressive LED headlights that cut through the dark. The front grille is minimal, but you can tell it's been crafted for aerodynamics, helping it slice through the air while keeping efficiency high. Now, let's talk about the size. This isn't your typical SUV that's meant to dominate highways. This car's compact, making it perfect for tight city streets and parking in those super cramped spots. It's built for people who love the urban lifestyle, those who want something functional but stylish. The 2026 Toyota Urban is roughly 4 meters long, making it about the same size as a hatchback, but you still get the elevated stance of an SUV. So, it's like Toyota took the best aspects of a sedan and an SUV and combined them into one. One of the coolest things about the Urban 2026 is its electric powertrain. This car isn't just about looks, it's built to deliver a driving experience that's smooth, efficient, and eco-friendly. Toyota's aiming for a range of around 300 miles on a single charge, which is more than enough to get you around the city, and then some. You'll have a choice of a single motor setup for a more affordable, everyday experience, or you can step up to the dual motor setup if you want that extra oomph for a little more performance. The car can go from 0 to 60 in under 6 seconds, so it's got more punch than you'd expect from an electric SUV. When it comes to the interior, Toyota has really thought this through. It's simple but high-tech. The dashboard is dominated by a massive digital touchscreen that controls everything, from climate to entertainment. The interface is clean, intuitive, and customizable. There's no clutter, and Toyota's placed a huge emphasis on user-friendliness. The seats, super comfortable, with premium materials used throughout the cabin. And of course, the space inside is cleverly optimized. Even with the compact size, there's more than enough room for both passengers and luggage. Now, what really stands out is the driving experience. Toyota's engineers have made sure the Urban 2026 feels light and responsive on the road. You won't have that bulky SUV feel. Instead, you'll feel nimble, which is perfect for dodging traffic or squeezing through those tight urban spaces. The suspension system is designed for a smooth ride, even over potholes and rough patches in the road. It's the kind of car that you can enjoy driving every day, whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating through crowded city streets. But it's not just about performance. Toyota's also taken safety seriously. The Urban 2026 is packed with the latest safety tech, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a full 360-degree camera system. These features make the car not just safe for you, but also for pedestrians, cyclists, and other drivers. Toyota's also aiming for top-tier crash safety ratings, so you can trust that this car's built with protection in mind. Let's talk tech. Toyota's fully integrated the latest in car tech into the Urban 2026. The car uses a cutting-edge AI assistant to adjust settings based on your habits, from driving modes to temperature control. And if you're a fan of connectivity, you'll be happy to know it's compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, meaning you can seamlessly sync your devices with the car's system. You'll never feel disconnected. Speaking of charging, Toyota's made sure that the Urban 2026 is ready for the future. It supports fast charging technology, so you'll get around 80% of a charge in just 30 minutes. That's huge for those who are always on the go. And with an expansive network of charging stations being built globally, you'll never be far from a place to top up. What's really exciting about the Toyota Urban 2026, though, is how it's a part of Toyota's bigger plan to move toward a more sustainable future. With this car, they're embracing the electric movement, reducing carbon emissions, and creating something that's not just eco-friendly but also thrilling to drive. But here's the kicker: This car is going to be affordable for a lot of people. Toyota is aiming to keep the pricing competitive, especially for electric cars, which can sometimes be priced out of reach. So, whether you're a first-time electric car buyer or someone looking for a reliable city SUV, the Toyota Urban 2026 is going to be a strong contender in the market. So, to wrap it up, the 2026 Toyota Urban is shaping up to be the perfect car for the future: compact, high-tech, eco-friendly, and designed for the urban driver. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or just zipping around town, this car promises to deliver an exceptional driving experience. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Would you consider making the Toyota Urban 2026 your next ride? And if you want to see more reviews, breakdowns, and sneak peeks of the latest cars, don't forget to subscribe to the Dream Cars. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.